Hi, this is your Engineer Opa at your service. Magkano nga ba magpa-renovate ng bahay sa Pilipinas? Take note, magkaiba po ang magpapagawa pa lang sa magpapa-renovate. Pag sinabing magpapagawa pa lang, meaning i-construct pa lang yung proposed structure. Pag sinabing renovation, ito yung proseso pag may gusto kang ipa-improve sa existing structure mo. Pwedeng may padagdag, pwedeng may pabawas, o pwede rin may pabago. Ngayon, magkano nga ba magpa-renovate ng bahay sa Pilipinas? Actually, wala. Wala pong specific amount when it comes to renovation. It is a case-to-case basis. Depende sa scope or complexity ng project ang magiging total expenses mo. But I can give you an idea kung magkano ang safe amount na dapat mong i-prepare kung magpapa-renovate ka. I advise that you should prepare at least with an amount of 20,000 pesos to 30,000 pesos per square meter. Take note that this is just an approximate suggested amount. Pwedeng maging mas mababa dito o mas mataas dito magiging total cost mo. Gusto mo ba malaman kung magkano ang exact amount na gagastusin mo? Better consult or hire professionals. Kasi alam na nila yung do's and don'ts when it comes to this matter. Parang yung jowa mo, alam lahat ng tama't mali. If this video helps you, kindly like and share. And if you have any questions, just comment down below.